Students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about new lesson. It's called solving inequalities. Okay, my dear students, first of all, we have to know what's an inequality because this is the first time for you to know about it. It's the same as here the equation, but with different signs. Great, here we have less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to. Okay, and we have also in the inequality the solution for the inequality, and we're going to have set of numbers for the solutions of the inequality, set of numbers as a solution for the variable to make the inequality true. And we are going to be able to know the graph of inequality and know how to solve the graphs of the inequality. So let's start. As you see here, if he gives me this example, x here is less than 2. Okay, my dear students, we have to know how to read here this sign. X here is less than 2. Less than 2 means what? Here means the circle on here on the number line, it's open circle. Okay, it's open circle. Why? Because here less than, we don't mention here any equal to. Okay, so n is less than 2. Yeah, so I'm going to the left, as here all the numbers here are greater than 2 and all the numbers here are less than 2, which we have here 1 0 and all the negatives, and this is open. This is what? This is open relationship. What about this one I have here? X here less than or equals to -1. So all numbers what less than or equals to -1, and the circle here on -1 number is what is a closed circle. Okay, what about here x greater than 0? So all numbers are here greater than 0. Remember that here it's an open one and very easy one. What about here this one, x greater than or closed -2? So -2 is closed and it's with us here actually, and all numbers which are greater than. Remember, wherever I go to the right here to the 0, I get what? Greater. So -1 is greater than -2. Remember that very well. Okay. Okay, we have also something called here equivalent inequalities. What's equivalent inequalities? If you have here an inequality like this, and I need to have or produce equivalent inequality for we can add or subtract the same number on each side. But remember, the same number on each side. What I do here, I do there. Okay, and just adding or subtracting? No, you can also multiply or divide each side by the same, but remember, positive number, positive number. So you've got here equivalent inequalities. Let's see by examples here. We have here 1 less than 3. Multiply each side by 2, so you have got here 1 times 2, and this is 2. Okay, let's write it here with another way. Why? 1 times 2 less than 3 times the same 2. 1 times 2 2, and here 3 times 2 6. So you've got here what? Equivalent? Yeah, equivalent inequality. Remember, don't here we multiply here as you see by positive. Okay, what about if I multiply or divide each side by negative number? Okay, this time I'm going to reverse the direction of the inequality. What are you talking about? So we have here 2 less than 6, right? If I here multiplied or divided, let me multiply by -2 and here by -2. This time, remember, we have a very simple rule. Take the inverse of this sign, it will be here greater than instead of less than, and then multiply the negative easily. -2 times 2 gives you -4, right? And we have here 6 times -2 gives you -12, and this will be your new inequality. Okay. We have here, right, an inequality represented by the graph. So what do you think here, my dear students? We look at the graph and then translate what we are saying. We have here 4, okay, and these numbers, remember, when we go to the left, so I'm going to the left, less than or greater than, then x less than what? Equals to or less than 4. X equals to or less than 4, right? We want to write it here, x less than or equals to 4. Why, guys? We have here the circle is closed, so I'm having equal to. And why less than? Because we go to the left. All x values here are less than this 4. What about this one? It will be very easy for you. I have here, I need to know x values, right? I need to know x value. Okay, and the circle here is open, so I don't have equal to. What about here? I'm going to the right. I'm going to the right. So I write here negative 3 because we have got here negative 3 in the circle or on the circle. So negative 3. So going to the right, what do you think? So x here is what? Is greater than, excellent, is greater than here negative 3. Okay, what about this one? We have here, we have x and we have 9. Okay, see how can I solve it very easily? And the here the we goes to the right, so I'm going to have greater than, and the circle is closed, so it's very easy. X is greater than or equals to 9. Okay, and the last one we have got here, we have x and we have 2, and we have open and go to the left. Go to the left means what? Less than. So x less than 2. Okay, easy one? I think it is. Write an inequality to represent the situation, then graph the inequality. Okay, it's very easy. To ride an amusement park ride, you must be 48 inches tall or taller. So, your tall here is what? Your height here is to be 48 inches. 48 inches. So I have to be my height here to be equals to or more than 48. So equals to this sign or more than 48 to have this amusement park ride. Okay, guys, and I have to mention also number 10 because it's important here. A restaurant can hold at most 40 people, can hold at most. So here x the here the restaurant can hold at most, not more than. This means what? At most, not more than 40. So 40 people here is the most. So here at most, so I can't take more than that. Okay, I can take less than that. So this means at most. Okay, to run for the president of the United States, you must be at least 35 years old. So the age, my age must be what? Must be greater than or more than 35 years old to be the president of USA. What lucky of you are. Okay, my dear students, by that we have covered the lesson. If you have any question, please send me on Google Classroom or LMS. Thank you. Bye bye.